Hi everyone, this is Kijimo Vlog, sa Filipino actor based thinking of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ganda gawa natin ng reaction video, ang Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Malano explore Hong Kong Disneyland tayo sa wakas vlog. So may vlog pala talaga sila dito. And expect ko na ang vlog na to is makikita ko kay, what do you call this? Kay Bel or kay Donnie na channel, pero kay Star Cinema pala. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Patingin. Ay, saan dalahin?
Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland,
Hong Kong.
where dreams come true.
Okay. What is the meaning there? Asan yung Don Bell? Ito.
We're currently here at Arendelle. This is our first time here.
Arendelle.
We're very excited because we are gonna meet someone later. So,
One of our
maganda.
favorite characters in the world.
yes!
Talaga?
Oh my
Guess who
God.
he is?
He gives warm hugs.
He likes building snowmen.
Yan ba yung si Olaf?
Do you want
Si Olaf ba? Ay, tignan mo naman. Ay, oo. Olaf. Pero ano kaya ba? Ano ba yan? Bata siya eh. Ang liit, no?
Since it's summer snow day, would you like to dance with us?
Okay. Parang baby si Belle, no? Parang baby talaga si Belle. Hindi ko pa ito napanood eh. Kasi bala ko talaga. May nagsuggest ito na gawa ko ng reaction video. Goofy. Ayan yung favorite ko talaga si Goofy. Si Goofy tsaka si Donnie parang parehas. Magkamuka. No? Ay. Ay. Sasakay lang ng
Welcome to
van.
Hong Kong Disneyland,
Let's go!
where dreams come
Sasak.
true.
Where dreams come true.
Hello, Hi, Minnie. Hello. Nice to meet you, Minnie.
Ay, kasi babae si Minnie, hindi siya nag-hug. Ay, mapaka-gentleman naman. I love it. Mapaka-gentleman naman ni Donnie. I love it. Oh, Suffer OA. Just paka-OA.
We're in the castle, guys.
Yes! Ta-da!
The iconic castle.
How many rooms does it have?
Tanong ko yung king.
Okay.
So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach the whole room how to draw.
Wow, you're gonna teach.
Yeah, we're going to sketch some simple, I would say, models of how we used to draw cartoons back in the day. Like when I first discovered how to draw Mickey Mouse.
No idea how you got.
Mickey Rex. Ang playful din Donnie, no? Ay. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Sorry kung in-adjust ko yung opacity, hindi masyado makita Ay! Ay! Talaga yan, talaga may hawak sa karapatan. May hawak talaga ng may karapatan yan. Yan, wala lang. Alam mo, din ba sila dyan? Or kasama talaga yun sa kanilang promotion? Or wala lang, they just plan na to go there because birthday ni Belle. What do you think? Can someone comment down below? Gusto ko lang malaman. Bonit silang, no? Nothing for you. Nagiging baby talaga si John. Patula. Baby boy talaga siya. Nakakabang gusto talaga magpaalaga. Chance! Ay, pak! Hindi mo kaya. As your cowboy. Cowgirl. Hala, parang iba pa yung ate na sabi ko. Sorry ah. Sana ko patawag niyo ako. Ay, ito yun. Ay! Nagiging chilito si Donnie doon. Ganda ng mata ni Donnie doon. Okay na bagay talaga sila. I swear. Software
I saw
bagay
you
talaga
earlier,
sila.
I said hi.
Masaya, we had to do it twice.
Ay,
What's up, Woody? Nice to see you, man. Howdy.
Cutie! Ano sila mga baby?
Scared, guys. Ate Yani.
Ayoko to!
Kung kaya yan, natakot ako dyan. Ayoko talaga mag-take ng risk, Diyos ko.
Nakita mo yung mukha ko doon?
Hello.
Baby siya.
Sigaw mo lahat dito.
Parang baby siya, no? Parang baby siya. Nakita mo yung mukha ko doon? Parang napaka-inosente. Nakita mo yung mukha ko doon? Anyways, ituloy natin to. This is Kinyo Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.